Hi, I'm George Ratiu, Senior Economist with Realtor.com. This week, the economy remained on a slow path as highlighted in the Federal Reserve's Beige book, a report on regional business conditions. Among the report highlights were a flattening of retail sales, continued worries from restaurant owners about lower sales from upcoming cold weather, and regional and local banks' concerns of rising delinquency rates. In an encouraging sign, the weekly number of unemployment insurance claims declined, and yet, the number of people drawing benefits from across all programs, state, pandemic unemployment assistance, and pandemic emergency unemployment compensation, total over 23 million, a sharp contrast with a year ago. On the real estate front, the week offered a brighter picture. New construction rose solidly in September with permits, starts, and completions showing monthly and yearly gains. Building on strong consumer demand, homebuilders are feeling much more optimistic about the outlook and are accelerating the pace of activity, a much-needed answer to the significant inventory shortage. Existing home sales increased for the fourth consecutive month in September, while inventory dropped to a new low, pushing prices almost 15% higher from a year ago. More recent data from Realtor.com show the pace of activity may be slowing in late October. The Housing Recovery Index indicates consumer demand remains strong, but new supply, pace of sales, and listing prices are moderating. However, our weekly figures saw continued contraction in inventory and an over 11% gain in listing prices, double the growth rate of most people's incomes. Mortgage rates breached a new record low this week for the 11th time in 2020. However, with prices still outpacing buyers' earnings, we're nearing the tipping point where benefit from low rates will be erased. Mortgage applications highlighted that concern, showing a fourth consecutive weekly decline driven by a drop in purchases. This week, we released the results of a national survey looking at how political preferences are also playing a role in the shift, especially with young buyers. As we head into the last week of October, stay well, enjoy some warm apple pie, bright foliage, and cool morning air. Stay tuned for next week's update from the economics team.